In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Seeking Alpha author alerts. If you like staying on top of market insights from specific voices you trust, author alerts are a simple way to make sure you never miss their latest analysis. I'll walk you through how to find an author from an article and how to follow them so you get notified whenever they publish something new. Start by opening any article on Seeking Alpha. This can be one you've already bookmarked or something you're reading on the site. At the very top of the article, near the headline, you'll see the author's name. It's usually right under the title, often alongside a small profile photo or byline details. Click that name. You don't need to hunt through menus. The author link is designed to take you directly to their profile with a single click. That click opens the author's profile page. Think of this page as the author's home base on Seeking Alpha. Here you'll see their bio, a list of their recent articles, and sometimes additional information about their coverage focus or investing style. It's a helpful spot to confirm you've got the right person, especially if the author has a common name or if there are multiple contributors covering similar topics. Once you're on the profile page, look for the Follow button near the top. Click Follow. That's it. When you follow an author, Seeking Alpha will start sending you alerts whenever they publish a new article. These alerts help you keep up with their work without constantly checking the site. Depending on your account and app settings, you might see these as notifications on the platform, and in some cases by email or on your device. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same profile to unfollow, and you can repeat this process for as many authors as you like. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the follow button, you may already be following that author. You can also double-check that you're signed in, since following is tied to your account. And if you read a lot of different perspectives, consider following a mix of authors with complementary viewpoints so your alerts give you a balanced feed. That's all there is to it. Open an article. Click the author's name to visit their profile, and hit follow to start receiving alerts for their new posts. Keep this in mind the next time you discover an analyst you really click with. Following them ensures their latest insights find you. Thanks for watching, and happy reading.